The last time we covered EBET stock, it was trading at $0.0426. Since that time, it has exceeded our most upper projection on this 45-minute chart of $0.06. It exceeded it, but has now come back towards it. So now just slightly above 0.0625. So as a matter of fact, it's actually be above that upper projection, the most upper projection we had. The last time we covered it. The last time we covered the stock, it was on the 28th of August. So as things stand right now, it closed at 0.0679. That was yesterday, the 22nd, Friday, the 22nd, and things are it's cooling off on this 45-minute chart. But at the same time as well, there's an upper projection on its 45 of its 10-period moving average all the way towards 0.0773 dollars. If that turns out to be good, then there's a good chance we may have an upper projection of 0.0792, and possibly even all the way towards 0.083. What are the odds that it's going to get to 0.0159? I really can't say. I really can't say. Those are the upper projections we have on it. On its one-day chart, doesn't look very fantastic. You wouldn't notice that there are things have been going on. The most upper projection there is 0.6368. Then the most upper projection was 0.4179. So the algos have since recalculated things on EBET stocks. So let's look at the 1-hour chart and see what we have there. A 1-hour chart is also equally projecting a rebound as well. The same sort of level, 0.0787, upper projections all the way towards 0.1061. Okay, so let's look at the 2-hour chart and see what we have there as well. The 2-hour chart is indicating something negative, something opposite. It's especially for its 10-period moving average. Has a downward projection of projection of 0.0593 come Monday the 25th, by the close of that session. Okay, so let's look at the 3-hour chart and see what we have. Same thing as well. 3-hour chart is projecting downward trend, but these are just hourly charts, and these are just hourly charts. So let's just stick with the 45-minute chart, which has served us well. But we also had a look at the 1-week chart then, and let's see what we had then. On the 1-week chart, we have an upper projection of very ambitious 4.15. 4.15. Okay, so what are the odds that will happen? Not very high. I think as things stand right now. So a downward projection of 0.0625 for EBET. The most extreme downward projection is where we left it last time we covered it, 0.0459. So all in all, the stock has actually performed well. It has actually performed, I would say, on average, it has probably gained around roughly 30%. As a matter of fact, at some point, it was actually more than that. As of Thursday the 21st of September, it was close to 100% of all that, close to 100% of what it was as of August 28th. So yes, it has actually served well. Some market participants may have actually gained something out of it. So even though we are very skeptical, fundamentals don't look very, very, very fantastic for the stock, but there's still money to be made. They are looking for major opportunities and sale opportunities and all that stuff. But I guess, like I mentioned then, those are probably what is attracting market participants to the stock, and he has actually delivered for them. He has actually delivered from them. Rose gained close to 100%. Has now shaved off much of those gains. Moving sideways. Projections that it might rebound, which we can't exactly say will be the case. So in any case, just see what you make of it, and just be really careful with EBET. Know when to take your money out, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.